Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. My people, we don't come back again with another Bonga update. Right now, I want to talk about some trending things when they happen for Nigeria. And if today be your first time when they come across our channel, please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. So right now, there is a serious problem. There is serious tension in the late President Muhammad Buhari's house. The family is tensed right now. Wahala here and there because of talk went on the ground. And this talk was based on waiting they happen, waiting already happen, or waiting people don't they talk concerning say this man, say na body doubled, you understand? And the truth is that majority of Nigerians believe that the man that was buried the other day, don't buy very long time ago. You understand? That what happened the other day was just like the Niger guy wants to get his identity back. So they now have to bring, whosoever or whatever to bury. Right now, this is causing a serious heat up in Muhammad Buhari's house because Aisha Buhari, right now, he and them, they're not there in good terms. You get? Because they say Aisha Buhari abandoned their brother when he really needed her. When I know I don't they talk about this matter, say, I don't understand why her wife go leave an elderly man. You married an elderly man, a sick one for that matter. You understand? Because they made us to believe, say the man is sick till this time. You get, you can't leave and waka, you did buy. Everybody they pray to get to Aso Rock. Na Aisha Buhari reach there 2 years, she waka come out for there. So now these questions now, 9 people they ask. So the one now when they grant, make we just go straight to the matter when they grant. Be say the family of Buhari now is now divided. You get the side of Mama Daura, they one side. And the other side, when be saying na the elderly men for the place, come they ask so many questions. Uh why their son, a world leader like that, say by other world leaders, they don't even visit or say they send message. You understand? And this rumor of who then buried Nobia, you understand? So they say this matter, they go to the length of it. So they are demanding Aisha to conduct an autopsy. Make them know when the man by. Make them they know the time when the man when they don't bury. Make them know the time when they take by. So allegedly, right now, Aisha Buhari is in a very hot seat because the family members are demanding that they want to get to the root of this matter, so that those people when they talk say no be the man this and that, they go have to stop it. They want their brother to rest in peace. So they said they want an autopsy to this one go come let them understand when this man take by. You get when exactly it by? Did it by this year, this July, or now that 2027 now then they talk about? You understand? So there are so many confusions, and for the fact that Aisha Buhari actually uh, divorced the husband and the woman, they kept it secret. Nobody was aware of it, and she abandoned the man and left. She was never there to take care of the husband, the sick husband. She actually went, according to Professor Boroge, that Aisha Yusuf came in just few days before Muhammad Buhari died. You get. So this is what is happening right now. So the family of Muhammad Buhari is now divided. They are demanding for an autopsy. They are asking Aisha Buhari to conduct an autopsy so that their brother will rest in peace. They want to know when exactly this man died. Did he die this year or he died years back? So this is the problem right now. Oh, Aisha Buhari is in a very, very hot uh, space. That is the truth. This is not easy. I am telling you, all these wahala surrounding her right now It's not easy, and this is what you get when you are not being transparent to people. You get, so this is what the result is. So I go drop this one for you. Please drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, make it go viral, so that Nigerians could understand what they happen today in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.